Something's quietly happening behind the scenes at Samsung, and if the latest leaks are accurate, your Galaxy phone is about to feel like an entirely new device. Not because of new hardware, but because of what's coming with One UI 8.5. This update isn't just a routine patch, it's shaping up to completely redefine how your phone looks, feels, and even thinks. From smarter AI-driven notifications to a next-level camera system that learns your style, Samsung's latest software might be the most human-like experience we've seen on a smartphone yet. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love discovering these hidden Samsung updates before anyone else, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your Galaxy friends, and subscribe for more deep dive updates that make you feel like an insider. Now, let's jump in, because One UI 8.5 isn't just an update, it's a statement. So, let's start with something you use every single day, your notifications. Samsung knows the notification panel has always been both powerful and messy. Between app alerts, messages, and system prompts, things can quickly spiral into chaos. But that's about to change. One UI 8.5 introduces a new AI-driven feature called Priority Notifications, and it might just be the smartest version of notifications we've ever seen. Instead of flooding you with every ping and buzz, Galaxy AI will learn what truly matters to you, who you talk to most, which apps you interact with, and even what time you usually respond. Over time, it starts recognizing patterns, silently organizing your alerts so that the most important ones appear right where your eyes go first. Here's the clever part. This system isn't cloud-based. Everything happens right on your device, which means your data stays private while your phone still feels intuitive and personal. And yes, you'll be able to customize it fully. Don't want Instagram demisprioritized? You can turn that off. Want Gmail alerts glowing at the top? You got it! Leaked screenshots even show a subtle new visual glow, a soft Galaxy AI gradient that highlights important alerts, giving your panel a cleaner, futuristic look. And well, that already sounds impressive. Samsung didn't stop there. Let's talk about something every Galaxy owner secretly wishes was faster: the camera. Leaks from internal builds have revealed a new feature called Pro Camera Presets, and photographers are already excited. Normally, when you open Pro mode, you're adjusting ISO, shutter speed, focus, and white balance every single time you want to shoot. It's tedious, especially if you shoot in different lighting conditions throughout the day. But now, you'll be able to save your own camera presets. Think about that. One preset for sunsets, one for night photography, one for portraits. With One UI 8.5, you'll open your camera, tap once, and instantly load your custom setup. No more tweaking sliders every single time. Even better, leaks suggest you'll be able to share these presets through Quick Share. So, if your friend has that perfect low-light setting, you can send it in seconds and apply it instantly. Samsung is basically turning photography into a community feature, letting Galaxy users learn from each other's creative styles. Another hidden gem inside the camera update is lens-based presets. That means you can choose which lens, wide, ultra-wide, or telephoto, each preset applies to. If you love that crisp, long-distance look, you can lock in a telephoto preset with your favorite shutter setup. The only limitation? Since each Galaxy model has slightly different camera hardware, presets might behave differently across devices. But that's part of the fun: experimenting, sharing, and finding the perfect setup that fits your phone and your style. Now here's where Samsung's AI integration gets even more seamless. The Object Eraser tool, which used to live in the editing menu, is being merged directly into the Generative Edit feature inside the Gallery app. You won't need to switch tools or menus anymore. Want to remove a photo bomber or unwanted shadow? Just highlight it and let Galaxy AI do its thing. Cleaner, faster, and way more natural-looking edits. It's like having Photoshop skills without ever touching a computer. And there's another small but smart addition: the Adaptive Data Saver. It might sound boring at first, but for anyone with a limited mobile plan, this is gold. This mode will prevent social media videos from auto-loading when you scroll past them. So instead of wasting data on clips you never intended to watch, they'll only play when you tap. Simple idea, huge savings. Samsung says video quality won't take a hit, even when this mode is active, which honestly sounds impressive if they can pull it off. But let's move to something a bit unexpected, the Edge panel, that little side pop-out you either love or forget exists, is finally getting a major upgrade. One UI 8.5 will let it work in landscape orientation, which means you'll finally be able to use it comfortably while watching videos or gaming in horizontal mode. It's one of those subtle quality of life upgrades that just makes sense, and it shows Samsung's attention to detail is still going strong. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. The overall design direction of One UI 8.5, leakers describe it as glassy, which seems to hint at a more translucent, layered visual style. Early internal builds show smoother animations, softer shadows, and elements that feel more three-dimensional. Samsung's clearly moving toward an interface that feels not just fast, but fluid, almost like it's responding emotionally. Combine that with AI personalization, and your phone will start to feel more like an assistant that adapts to you, not the other way around. The timing of all this? Reports suggest Samsung plans to roll out the One UI 8.5 beta by late November, with a full stable release expected alongside the Galaxy S26 series early next year. That's when all these features will officially debut, and as usual, flagship owners will get it first, followed by other Galaxy models gradually throughout the year. But there's one more layer to this story that no one's really talking about. Samsung's recent software leaks mention deeper AI customization at the system level, letting Galaxy AI sync not just across apps, but across devices. That means your phone could remember your usage habits and apply similar logic to your tablet or watch. Reply to messages quickly on your phone? Your Galaxy Watch will start doing it too. Prefer dark mode at night? Your tablet might automatically mirror that behavior. Samsung's building an ecosystem that doesn't just connect devices, it connects behaviors, and this is where the bigger picture comes into play. One UI 8.5 isn't just about refining the experience. It's Samsung quietly preparing the foundation for the Galaxy AI era that's set to explode in 2026. You'll start noticing your device making smarter suggestions, grouping apps based on your habits, and even predicting when you might want to take a photo, like opening the camera automatically when it detects a certain scene through the sensors. It sounds futuristic, but with Samsung's recent AI patents, it's not that far-fetched. The more you look at these updates, the clearer it becomes that One UI 8.5 is all about one thing: reducing friction. Whether it's faster editing, cleaner notifications, or smarter camera shortcuts, every feature seems designed to remove extra steps between you and what you're trying to do. That's how you know Samsung's thinking beyond specs and megapixels. They're fine-tuning experience, and if you think this is the end of it, just wait, because the next Galaxy flagship will likely debut with even more AI-integrated features that build directly on this foundation. One UI 8.5 is just the beginning of that shift. Once you try it, going back to anything older will feel like stepping into the past. So yes, while Apple and Google are busy catching up in some areas, Samsung seems to be quietly creating a more connected, more personal version of Android, one that feels alive in your hand. And the best part, these updates aren't locked behind a subscription or exclusive model. If your Galaxy device supports One UI 8.5, you'll get these same intelligent features soon, and when you do, your phone won't just be faster, it'll feel like it understands you.